Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to cash out Solana from...
Jesus! 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 Juju be down.
Poverty sat me down on a Saturday morning, one-on-one, and told me, said, I will kill you.
God have mercy upon us.
You think it's a joke?
Patay! Paldo na sana, pero naging paldon pa. Hi! Worries no more. I am introducing to you right now, Solfler! So ano ba Solfler? Wallet lang yan, pero it is having a powerful, secure, and user-friendly wallet and having a purpose to build a Solana ecosystem. Wow! Kung mahilig ka sa Solana-based tokens, staking, and NFTs, this is perfect for you, oy! And now, the question is, how to download? Use this QR code, oy, para mag-download ka na ngayon. What? And now, how to set up? Scan the QR code first. Change! At magre-redirect yan doon sa Solfler na app. At i-download nyo na agad. Wala na patubig-tubig pa. Karaka. After download, ay open nyo na yung app, oy. At dito na kayo agad mapupunta na merong create wallet. Pero pag meron na kayong existing wallet, ay pwede rin dito. Pero pag baguhan ka pala mag-create ng wallet, ay mag-create ka na agad ng recovery phrase mo. Change! Pero pag meron ka ng wallet, ay pwede mo nang i-import yung wallet mo dito using recovery phrase at saka i-paste here. After that, mag-create ka na ng password mo. And after setting up, mapupunta ka na dito sa dashboard ng Solfler wallet. O, diba meron ka ng wallet, oy? Shush! God dang! At maka-access din kayo guys into web browser extension, web app, and also mobile app. Wow! Napakagaling, diba? And what makes Solfler stand out for others? When it comes to security, I agreed with the Solfler because Solfler ngayon ay meron na silang save address book. When it comes to, you can save the trusted address only with having labels and names, di ba? Napakaganda, hindi ka na malilito kung saan mo i-send yung address mo. O, di ba? This is helpful din naman na for avoiding copy-paste errors and also kung mag-send ka ng mga address mo through phishing addresses. Di ba? Napakagaling. Ngayon pa lang, mag-download ka na ng Solfler, oy, para meron ka ng wallet na maganda at saka secured pa. Wow! Huwag na nakalimutan na. This is Brasi 962 again from Guild Zero Wing. Wow!